having makeup on, but it's a beautiful day. I am here in the morning and I'm going to show you really quickly my house, the updates of the remodel of our house. Here is my house. It's getting done. I've actually got a lot of the handles on our cabinets. That's going well. We got our fireplace is getting put together. It's gonna kind of look like stone. But here, look, see, this is what I deal with. Just, stuff everywhere. Like in the floors, all this paper, and it gets ripped. Okay, but my daughter's bathroom is almost done. So the toilet, of course, is not. But see, it's getting done. Our fireplace getting all done and plastered. And then here's our bathroom. Oh, it's bright. So, I've got junk. I've got in here, we've got just stuff everywhere. So, beautiful morning, but it's cold in my house because our heater is not working. But that's okay. But look, see, my shower is almost done, except for that piece over there because it broke. So now I'm outside, hear the birds singing, and whew, it's cold. And so we've had to redo all the stucco on the front because around the windows, if you can see, we had to replace windows. And so you have to cut out the stucco and then you have to redo the stucco. And so that's what we're doing in the front of our house and on the back.
As we look up at the stars in the sky, did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning light. Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Just right to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, keep dancing. Stay up until the morning light. The morning light. Baby, you're outside. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We're dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning. Stay up until the morning light.
And then look what I woke up to today. My daughter is back from college. She's in between semesters and she's going to be here for a couple weeks. And she is back making food. Yummy banana bread. Okay, that's the update on our house. Super excited. It's coming. It's coming. And maybe the next time it'll be even better.